Hi guys, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the motherboard in your S10 Plus. You can change the motherboard or you can change other parts in your phone with this method. So first of all, we need to have a hairdryer or something which have you hot air like this or even more. And some plastic tools like this or like this with metal. So now you have to hot your phone here enough and slide it your tool and get around the phone here. I do this before my video because it take a while. So as you see, there is a plant of glue, so you can check it. Where is the glue? And now take the screwdriver and open other parts in your phone. Okay, carefully. And there is many ping on phone. This is battery, camera, speaker, SIM card slot, speaker 1, USB-C port, and jack stereo. This is the Vibra. This is the flex from the LCD and digitizer, and back buttons. That's all. And now we need to take over this motherboard from the phone. So gently remove the flex, release some of the screws here, okay, unplug the battery here, and let's try to lift up this motherboard. Let's take a look. That's all of the screws. Yes, that's all. So try to lift up, maybe from the up here. Now we have to lift up the SIM card slot like this. Okay. And now gently lift up the motherboard here. Do this very carefully. Okay, that's the motherboard, so we need to change all the options. One of the motherboard is blue, one is green. I don't know why. They all look similar anyway. Yep. There is the same motherboard. Okay. So first of all, we need to get the camera. This is the front camera. Two of them. Don't touch this lens, okay? With your hand. Okay. There is the main camera. And we have to lift it up. Okay. Now stick the camera into the new motherboard. Remember to don't touch the lens. Okay. So is that all? I think. Yep, that's all. Only the two camera. Okay. Now attach the motherboard to the phone. Anyway, you can change easily many of the parts here. Speaker, battery, buttons, vibra, jack stereo, and that's all. It's not complicated at all. Okay, attach the flex, LCD jack, and the battery. Now let's try if the phone is wake up. The phone is have low battery. So let's try to attach this back cover into the phone. Nope, I missed the 3 screws here. Here. And 2 of them here. Okay, and as you see, the phone now is wake up. Okay, the digitator works well. Let's try to charge it up. It's charging. Now turn off the device. Okay, and now finish the operation. Okay, you should hear the special sound like clicking it. Okay, that's it. Now you should have this glue to glue the back cover in here into your phone, which we disassembly a few minutes ago. I'm gonna do this with old glue, old tape here. Okay. Small part of the glue around this here. That's it. It's very easy. You can buy this glue easily on the internet. And now only attach the back cover here in our place. Stick it and take with some clippers and leave it for a few hours, maybe one day. 24 hours will be great, but I think you can use the phone in next few hours. That's it. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!